So hello, here is a Deckel SO cutter grinder with accessories, and in this video I'm going to show some details and show the condition. I will let the motor run and the lamps and show the collets. So yeah, let's get started. So it comes with the original lamp. It's possible to move it in a different direction. Here's a switch on and off. The motor. Running. This is here's the 6mm collet is inserted with the collet drawbar here. This is possible to rotate, and here's a dividing. So this is for 30 degrees, and you have different possibilities here. It's possible to put this on 0 also. Yeah, it's possible to move this slide in the different directions. Let's see if I can show some movements of the slide here. So this is possible to manipulate it. When you take this out, you can manipulate it like this, the whole slide. And here you lock it back in place and do a fine adjustment. Yeah, here's this small knob with the direct dividing. This is the part with a, I don't know, a finger, I would call it. From the other side, there's this one to move it in this direction, the slide. And this one is to lock it. Yeah. This rotation here, and then you have this rotation, and you have this rotation. So yeah, altogether it's in a fantastic condition. Everything goes smooth, and this one is to move the whole block, and it's also possible to lock it here. There's so 3 grinding stone holders so that's the new system made after 1968. So that's with a conical, and yeah, it's really nice to have 3 of them, so you can easily change, and you don't need to balance the wheels every time. So this looks pretty much unused. Here's the second one. And the third one is here installed. And then there's these 2 extra diamond wheels. And a collet set. The collet set is very beautiful. It goes from 0.5 mm till 17 here. These are all original Deckel collets. Let's see, there's written Germany, but also, let me put this down. So there's the brand Friedrich Deckel. When I zoom in, yeah, only one collet is from Shablin from this set. That's the 12 mm. It fits, but it's not from Deckel, but from Shablin. And these are beautiful also on the top. The 6 mm, which is included here, is hit on the top. Is really being used. Let's see if I can show that. there. Yeah. What I want to show more, there's a part here which is normally not included, but it's this part to collect the dust, and it's possible to put a vacuum cleaner here to take to suck away the grinding dust. So that's a nice extra feature to have. Yeah, I think that's it for now. What can I show more? I can also show this. Is it possible to move in this direction? Yeah. Maybe some more details here, like there, and so the angle readouts on the sides. I think on that side there's an angle readout as well, a little bit hidden there. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. That's it for now.